Alright, May 28th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here. The ATSF rail fan just joined up with me just now. Southbound on the way, that vet the S773 at Murray. That was about a 3257. Might have been EMD to lead it. Let's check him out on the roll bys. We'll lean back and get him. Q-train. C67 rebuild 3317 again! Third time now that I've seen the 3317 already. Q196! That will do it for the Q196. So we'll head for Pigeon Park in Memphis, Tennessee. And that'll do it for that C6M rebuild of 3317 as well. It's gonna do it for that one, and we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.